Slider Window Installation Services in Knoxville, Tennessee, offer a wide range of options for both residential and commercial properties. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient slider windows or custom slider windows, EcoView has the best slider windows Knoxville to meet your needs. Our sliding window experts in Knoxville provide top-notch sliding window installation services, ensuring that your new windows are installed with precision and care. For those in Knoxville, Tennessee, seeking affordable slider windows, our Knoxville sliding window experts are here to help. We specialize in vinyl slider windows and double-pane slider windows, providing durable slider windows that are both modern and efficient. Our Knoxville residential slider windows are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home, while our commercial slider windows in Knoxville offer the perfect solution for businesses looking to upgrade their windows. Slider Windows Knoxville is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our sliding window specialists in Knoxville provide comprehensive sliding window maintenance services, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. From sliding window replacement in Knoxville to sliding window upgrades in Knoxville, Tennessee, we offer a variety of sliding window solutions to meet your needs. Explore the latest sliding window styles and sliding window designs in Knoxville, Tennessee. Our sliding window contractors in Knoxville are experts in creating custom slider windows that match your unique style and preferences. With a focus on sliding window efficiency, our sliding window options in Knoxville, Tennessee, are designed to provide maximum energy savings and comfort. Vinyl slider windows Knoxville are a popular choice for homeowners seeking modern sliding windows that are both stylish and functional. Our sliding window features in Knoxville, Tennessee, include energy-efficient windows that help reduce your energy bills while enhancing the overall appearance of your home. With our sliding window benefits, you can enjoy improved insulation, noise reduction, and increased property value. For those in Knoxville, Tennessee, looking for sliding window solutions, our sliding window experts are ready to assist you. We offer a wide range of sliding window options, including affordable slider windows in Knoxville and Knoxville custom slider windows. Our sliding window contractors in Knoxville are dedicated to providing high-quality sliding window installation services that exceed your expectations. In Knoxville, Tennessee, our sliding window specialists are committed to delivering the best slider windows Knoxville for your home or business. Whether you need sliding window repair, sliding window replacement, or sliding window maintenance, our team is here to help. With our sliding window upgrades in Knoxville, Tennessee, you can enjoy the latest sliding window styles and designs that enhance the look and feel of your property. Choose our sliding window solutions in Knoxville, Tennessee, for all your window needs. Our sliding window experts in Knoxville provide a wide range of sliding window options, including durable slider windows and energy-efficient slider windows. With our sliding window features in Knoxville, Tennessee, you can enjoy the benefits of modern sliding windows that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing.